1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It means 1,000, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 50, 2050, which means going to the George, to electrician, and you can't believe us, we have a surprise.
We do indeed. Well, hello and welcome back.
This is a part of it, another part of it. We're giving him slowly and slowly, you know. This is one more part of it. It's actually the fifth part of it.
It is indeed. And welcome back, and thanks for coming back. Downtown Cape of Paphos. Spectacality of a day indeed, by the way. Look at all of the sunshine and the blueness. That's the view off the front terrace of the Marika and Me Lounge Bar. And we've got some spectacular news. We're going to take you inside and we're going to give the next instalment to probably the greatest electrician in Cyprus, and that's of course our Signor George. But let's go in, Gracidi, and let's show the guys what's going on.
Let me say hello everybody. How nice to see you again and again, even though this money is not mine, unfortunately. This is a fifth part of our electrician George. He made us to be surprised.
Come on, let's go and have a look inside, because believe it or not, we have got lights on. Still some work to do, still some more wiring to be done. But if we look up, look. Real lights in the Marika and Me Lounge Bar. Obviously these are just temporary bulbs that they're popping in to make sure that the system is working. They've rewired all the bar, and there's proof that one of the lights is working there. Obviously there's new bulbs that go in around it, and there's another bulb over here. So they've made sure that their new circuiting, shall we say, is fully operational. So there's lights pretty much in every single part of the bar now. Bit of work to keep going. The chandelier, as we can see, is lit up a little bit.
These lights are not all done because it needs a little bit different
Fitments of bulbs, isn't
yes,
it? Yeah.
yes.
But the circuit's all been done, and now they're going to carry on. And over the next 3 to 4 days, I'm saying a week or so, we're going to have all of the electrics done, which means we can move forward to the next stage. And obviously then our internal plumber can come in, and he can start to fit new pipe works, new bits and bobs to the toilets, fit 1 or 2 sinks for us. And then we've got those magic things from the beginning of time: water and electricity. And then of course we can move on.
You know, our dearest members of family, I couldn't believe my eyes and ears when we just arrived and we parked the car. Mr. Paul noticed that we have electricity, he said, and I thought to myself, it can be from the cuckoo land, but it is not possible. It is too early because so huge, and we have also lights over there. Electrician said that these two must be gone.
Is the lights upstairs?
These two must be gone.
So these 2 bulbs have gone,
He
we
said,
assume, because they say they've rewired the ceiling as well. Is there lights in these toilets up here?
It
yes,
is.
there appears to be.
It is.
So this is our second set of toilets, by the way. We've shown you the toilets over by the VIP lounge bar, but up these stairs there are further toilets which were in total darkness. But now, as you may have noticed, the walls are looking rather light. So as we pop into the former gents' toilets up here, we can see, yes, we have lights. It's a bit of a novelty for us at the Marika and Me Lounge Bar at the moment, by the way.
It is a little bit strange when I see that we have lights we can turn on and off, and what is all right, okay, it's from here, so it's all rewired, it's all done in a proper way.
It is indeed, and then these are the further upstairs ladies' toilets.
Yeah.
Again, we've got lights. Bit of a novelty, isn't it? The simple things in life. There's a lot of work to do. Someone's, well, obviously sprung a leak on the side of the toilet, and they've slapped a little bit of cement on it. But obviously we'll be correcting that. But it's decent sized toilets again. So we've got 2 sets of toilets at the Marika and Me Lounge Bar as we take you back down the stairs into the relaxing area what we call the lounge bar. So obviously we've got the outside terrace, that's Marika and me at the terrace. We've got the salubrious part, which is what this is going to be once it's all been cleaned up and of course enhanced. In that corner there will be a performing stage for karaoke and those kind of things. And of course we have unearthed the former dancing floor, which is a marble floor, which once it's all been sanded down and cleaned up and then revarnished, is going to be a great, great place, perhaps for Lady Angela to come and strut her stuff at the Marika and Me lounge bar.
To be honest with you, I can't believe my eyes, really cannot. And I thought that it would be impossible to bring the lights in our bar. But everything is possible, as you can see, and everything is really, really, hopefully, will be in the lovely, beautiful way.
Yes, indeed. Let's take you up the Hollywood staircase. That's what this is. And of course, to its left-hand side is the Wall of Fame. Now, if you'd like to get involved at the Marika and Me Lounge Bar, perhaps get your name on that Wall of Fame on the Hollywood staircase, all it costs you is £50, and of course your name will appear on a brick and everybody will understand and know that you helped to fund probably the greatest bar in the world, which is going to open up in downtown, okay, so Paphos. If you want to help us out and get your name on the Wall of Fame on the Hollywood staircase, why not go and hunt us down on PayPal? It's very, very easy to do. All you have to do is search these magic words, Paul G. Cyprus, that's P-A-U-L-G-E-E, Cyprus, and of course up will come my little face, and of course the face of the most beautiful woman in the world, Miss Ochin Graciliana Booth. That's your Marika and my Marika, as we say that huge thank you. Lights on the spectacular ceiling in the upstairs VIP area of the Marika and Me Lounge Bar. And that chandelier, even though it's looking, shall we say, past its sell-by date, it still looks quite spectacular.
She's looking very crying. And if I knew that that thing will hold me or stand me, I would be checking whether it's strong enough or not. But I know it's a silly idea. I have to clean everything here. But now the next, we're waiting for the water to come. The water is not that difficult, actually. As we all know, water and electrician should be connected together in some ways for the pressures and stuff, because the pressure, water pressure operating by electricity, as I know, and then the pressure starts to get its speed towards our bar. And I would like to ask you one question. I did ask George, first started from here. I noticed it's lights going inside here, which means this sheltered shelf, should I say, or stand, or however you call it, can be lighted when whatever you're going to put here, it's going to be even more interesting. I've got a few ideas for this, nothing to do with our caricature and stuff, but, you know, beautifying place. What do you think? And if the electricity, actually it's, whether it's connected, he didn't answer my question, he just ran away. I asked George. He said, oh, you don't want it, you don't want it. The most important, he will set up the light in a balcony, in a terrace on this floor, and down terrace on the first floor. And here, one more question for me, no, for electrician. I said, this lamp is not LED lamp. He said, yes, you're right. How did you notice? I said, well, I notice everything if it's on my interest. And the one more question, how would we take it off? Because it's now dusty, it's not clean. I want every corner of this bar shiny and beautiful, spotless. I want it just to breathe with a freshness. And this one, I don't like it. So whether we should take it off and then clean it, well, he must tell me.
So this is the upstairs toilets to the Hollywood staircase, by the way, just across to the main VIP lounge
My God,
bar.
21st century, we are happy about the electricity because 10,000 is not a little amount of money. Mr. George is getting 1/5 of it now. if anything, more than half now with this money is going to be paid.
Yes, indeed. For those of you who perhaps have missed an episode or two, when we took over this property, it had been, shall we say, neglected for quite a few years. And regulations have changed, but at the end of the day, safety is of the utmost importance. There would be nothing worse than refurbing the bar and then having an electrical fault. So the whole premises has been completely rewired, and unfortunately that's cost us just shy of 10,000 euros. Not a bad price for the amount of work that's been involved, but still an awful lot of money. And the plumbing bill around about 5,000 euros. We've had a brand new tank on the roof, brand new heating elements, shall we call them, solar panels, and of course a brand new pressure pump. So there's no doubt about it, we're going to get some great water quality, and of course pretty safe in the knowledge that we know that the lounge bar has been completely rewired. Slowly but surely now we're going to take you on our adventures as we start to refurbish the place and make it into that little special place which will have hopefully a special place in your heart on Bar Street, the most famous street in Paphos. And of course the Marika Lounge Bar will be opening up for business officially on the 15th of March 2025.
And I think on this floor it would be nice to put like a jalousie, we call it.
A what?
Shelters, you know, whether they are horizontal or vertical. It's like they open it with one stick hanging here.
Ah, Venetian blinds is what I think we would call it.
Venetian blinds.
Yes.
All right.
All right.
Okay.
I think that's what we would call them. Like little slats that can be opened, half tilted, opened, and of course all the way wound up as well.
Would it be possible?
Would it be possible?
The green, that green.
Well, anything's possible. At the end of the day, it all comes down to money. If you like what you see, hit the like, smash that subscribe. Please don't forget to keep on coming back for that little bit more of our complete and utter madness as we take you on our adventure. And of course, it is the Marika Lounge Bar, and hopefully you guys will come and join us. One thing's for sure, when you do, you're going to get a fantastic morning, afternoon and evening. We'll be open from 10 a.m. in the morning until late at night, serving breakfast, light snacks, drinks, and a party atmosphere as the night descends upon us.
Or another idea, we can buy, you know how you tint your glasses, windows in the car? The same idea, to find, it must be different peel.
The film that you put on car windows. Yep.
With this color, so, and it will collect less dust. And on the top, that very curtains that I am in love with.
Yeah, Marika has seen some, well, I think they are spectacular curtains, and they've got diamonds across the top of them, and her plan is to have them on these three main windows, which give us access out onto the upstairs raised outside terrace. And that's going to be a special place on an evening when those stars are twinkling. And of course, this is the upstairs bar, which is going to have a bit of a renovation, different colours and those kind of things. But there's no doubt about it, with your help and of course your ideas, we're going to make this, hopefully, the greatest bar in the world, certainly in downtown Kato, Paphos.
And I actually would make these two pillars, together with this pillar, the color of the green. That green, and it will be nice. Maybe.
That's the plan. You drop in the comments, what do you think for colour schemes in and around the lounge bar? There was a gentleman last night that mentioned perhaps the bike should be in red. Should the railings, the top rail be in gold, and should the lower part stay in black? That's what we think. The chandelier, well, we're open to ideas, but I think there'll be a little bit of gold and one or two fancy little lampshades. And of course, this is the area on top of the bar. And this is where we intend to make a little version of the blue Mediterranean Sea, and perhaps a figurine of Marika and Mr. Paul as they strut their stuff along the downtown Kato Paphos promenade. Proceeding out of the booth.
I think I will need very, very long steps to start from the end, from very beginning, I mean. And unless I can hang on it and make at the same time whatever I would like to make. Overall, we are so happy today. I hope you're all happy with us. We're loving and kissing you from the bottom of our two happy hearts today.
We are indeed. We're going to say thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit the like, smash that subscribe. Don't forget to keep on coming back for the updates as we rejuvenate the former Hollywood bar in downtown Cato Paphos and make it into the Marika and Me, a lounge bar at Hollywood on Bar Street in Cato Paphos. Please don't forget to go and hunt us down on PayPal, Paul G. Cyprus, and of course you could get your name on a brick on the Wall of Fame on the Hollywood staircase. And you can come and read it, and of course many, many other people, and they will understand that you helped to found the Marika and Me Lounge Bar. Thanks for watching, and we'll look forward to your company again very, very soon indeed.
Thank you. Bye.